Welcome to a land where the desert meets the sky, where colors speak louder than words, and where every sound tells a centuries-old story. This is Morocco, not just a place, but a feeling. From ancient kasbahs to the call of the souk. Here, culture isn't observed, it's lived. Let us take you beyond the guidebooks, deep into the heart of Morocco. The tea ceremony. In Morocco, tea isn't just a drink, it's a ritual. Mint tea, made with green tea and lots of sugar, is the national beverage. It's poured from a height, creating foam that symbolizes respect and honor. Tea is offered at almost every visit. To decline? That's considered rude. 2. The Medina and souks. The Medina is the ancient heart of every city, often surrounded by walls and rich in history. Within it, you'll find bustling souks, markets filled with leather goods, carpets, jewelry, and spices. Behind every turn is a surprise. Craftsmen, or malem, still work by hand in shops that have been passed down for generations. 3. The hammam. For many Moroccans, a hammam visit is a weekly tradition. You literally scrub your worries away. It's about cleanliness, but also connection and spirituality. Especially on Fridays, the holy day, the hammam becomes a social space where stories are shared. 4. Food. Moroccan food is a festival of flavors. Slow-cooked tajines with lamb, prunes, or preserved lemons. Or couscous on Fridays, a sacred tradition. And here's the beauty. You eat with your hands, sharing from one big dish. Eating is a communal, loving act. Don't forget the dates: harira soup and sweet mint tea. 5. Clothing and kaftans. Traditional clothing is still worn proudly. Men wear djellabas, long robes with pointed hoods. Women wear stunning kaftans with golden embroidery and sparkling jewelry, especially at weddings. Every region has its own colors, patterns, and meanings. 6. Music and dance. Music is emotion in Morocco. From Andalusian strings in the north to Berber drums in the south and nawa in the heart. It's hypnotic. Nawa blends African, Arab, and spiritual roots. The deep bass, iron castanets, and entrancing dance connect people across cultures. 7. Weddings. Moroccan weddings are magical. Sometimes they last 3 days. There are henna rituals, multiple outfit changes, live music, and huge family gatherings. It's not just a union of two people, it's a celebration of identity and joy. 8. Regional diversity. From the Atlas Mountains to the Sahara Desert, Morocco's landscapes and people are incredibly diverse. In the Rif Mountains, Tamazight is spoken. On the coast, ocean breezes color daily life. And in the desert, Amazigh nomads live in harmony with nature, guided by the stars. 9. Craftsmanship and heritage. From mosaics to metalwork, Moroccan artisans are known worldwide. In cities like Fes and Marrakesh, you'll see tanners, potters, and woodcarvers working with precision. The famous Zeliga tiles, made by hand, haven't changed style in centuries. 10. Spirituality. Islam is deeply woven into daily life. 5 times a day, the adhan, or call to prayer, echoes through the air. Ramadan is observed with fasting and gathering. Faith in Morocco is visible, but above all, respectful and welcoming. It's a peaceful rhythm of life. Whether it's the food, the people, or the landscapes, Morocco leaves a mark on your soul. And here's a fun fact. Did you know Morocco was the first country to officially recognize the United States in 1777? Connection is in their DNA. Thanks for watching Inside Moroccan Culture. Let me know in the comments which tradition you loved most. And don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next journey.